No more Halloween candy left.
What? What the heck?
Don't you guys think you ate enough candy last night?
No, I only have like one bite of candy. Are you serious? Oh, good for you. Now you're probably gonna have a bellyache. That's why you shouldn't eat so much candy. Mom, that's 2.
2 what?
2 bags of candy. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. It equals 5. It's 4. You, Jimmy, were so close. Did you see how much I had? I had a lot of candy. I went to a lot of houses.
Oh, it tasted so good, especially the peanut butter cup.
You sneaky mom!
Action.
No? Okay. Kelly, can I... Yes, keep going. I don't give a shit about...